Chemicals are everywhere in the workplace, from cleaning agents to industrial materials. Without proper knowledge, these substances can pose serious health and safety risks. Are you ready to understand and communicate chemical hazards effectively? Introducing the Hazard Communication online course from OSHA Online Center. In just 26 minutes, this comprehensive training equips you with the knowledge to identify chemical hazards, interpret labels, and protect yourself and your coworkers. In this course, you'll learn about the Globally Harmonized System, GHS, for classifying chemicals, how to read safety data sheets, and the proper steps for labeling and storing hazardous substances. Our course also covers personal protective equipment, teaching you how to select and use PPE based on the hazards of the chemicals you handle. Accidents can happen, but knowing how to respond makes all the difference. You'll learn how to handle spills, contain exposure, and notify the proper authorities, ensuring everyone's safety. Upon completing the course, you'll earn an OSHA-compliant certificate, demonstrating your expertise in hazard communication and your commitment to maintaining a safe workplace. Sign up today by clicking the link in the description and enroll now with OSHA Online Center.